Hello friends, I am Gunjandeep Singh Khiraj. This is TechXplainer and you're watching 2 Minute Tech. Basically, we are going to discuss about a new technology or something that is very important to you in current scenario in 2 minutes. So, the today's topic for 2 Minute Tech is how much RAM do you need in your Android mobile phone in 2020? So, if you are ready, then let's begin a discussion of a tech topic in just 2 minutes. So friends, as you are, before we discuss about how much RAM you actually need, let's discuss about how actually RAM works. To be very precise about it, your Android mobile system, operating system to be precise, occupies approximately 1 GB of your RAM in your mobile device. That means in a 4 GB RAM mobile, you approximately get 3 GB of RAM free after the space has been allocated for the mobile OS. So out of those 3 GBs of RAM, each and every application that you open is going to occupy approximately 200 to 300 MBs of space. That applies to each and every tab of Chrome as well. So you can have approximately 8 to 10 apps open at a time, and then if you open a new application, it will kick one of the existing apps out of the memory and occupy its space. So that is exactly how the RAM operates. Now, coming back to the point, how much RAM do you exactly need in 2020? Well, if you do not use any video editing apps, or if you are not a heavy mobile gamer who spends loads of time playing PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile or Asphalt, something like that, a 4 GB RAM mobile should be sufficient for you. However, to be future-proof, you should opt for a 6 GB RAM model. Moving ahead, if you play light games and such stuff and do photo editing, etc., you should opt for at least 6 GB of RAM because that will be better for you, at least in future aspect as well. Moving ahead, if you play heavy games like PUBG, Asphalt, Call of Duty, etc., and you have a decently good chipset that supports these games in high graphics settings, you should opt for at least 8 GB RAM model. Advantage in this case being that it will also support games in due course of time in future. Also, you should remember that games like Call of Duty and PUBG in high graphics settings can take up to 1 GB RAM each. Now, higher RAM configurations like 10 GB, 12 GB or 16 GB as it is rumored to come in S20 Ultra, they are more of a marketing gimmick and not that useful to you. But yeah, if you want exceptional future-proof scenario, then you may opt for something like 10 GB of RAM. However, it's more of a gimmick and it's not that much of use. So friends, this is Tech 2 Minutes. Today we talked about how much RAM we need in Android in 2020. Hope to see you in next one. Bye bye.